My name is Rebecca Cook and I'm with Found Pilates magazine. We are going to be doing the 5 to Fabulous series today, where we take several exercises within a 5-minute time period. So today we're going to take the 100, the roll up, and rolling like a ball, and hopefully do it within about 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and spin around and lower down onto our mat. Roll down nice and long. And just place your legs long and your arms at your side. Let's take a few deep breaths. Inhale, deep breath through the lungs. And exhale your air. And again, inhale. And exhale. Let's take one more inhale. And preparing for the 100, we exhale the arms up. We rise on the inhale. And we pump the arms vigorously. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really breathe through the back of the lungs on the inhale. Let's exhale, lower down. We're going to stretch our arms above the head, but trying to deepen the bottom of our rib cage down. We exhale to rise, flexing the feet. Reach up and over the legs, maintaining that C-curve stretch. And then deepen as we roll down, dropping the shoulders, pointing the feet away from us. And bring the arms back overhead. Reach long. So we're trying to deepen the abdominals on the way up. Trying not to let our legs rise, although I know mine do, just a tiny bit. So that can be from my tight quads, my tight hip flexors. Here we go. Inhale and exhale. Reach up and over, keeping that long curve, reaching long, and deepen as we roll down. Beautiful. Keep a nice long neck. And arms overhead. 2 more. Inhale and exhale to rise. We're trying not to use any momentum on the way up, so that it's purely our core, the muscles around our midline that are working to rise. And exhale. Let's reach up and over. And now we're going to shift forward onto our mat for rolling like a ball. Go ahead and hug your knees in towards your chest. Look down towards your pubic bone. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed down away from the ears. And you're going to round in the low back. See if you can lengthen the inside of your spine as you do that. We're going to inhale back to rock and come right back up, deepening in the abdominals to balance. Beautiful work. This is a nice massage on the spine, on the muscles around the spine. And we're trying not to use our legs or our arms too much. We're trying to just have most of that work be in the core muscles. Good. Use that powerhouse to bring yourself up. One more. And now let's roll down. See if you can go very slowly. Deepen that curve. Deepen, deepen, deepen. And then you might roll back like I did. I'm sure you do better than I do. Let's bring our legs down. And then let's lengthen out again. Stretch that out. This is a beautiful sequence to do if you don't have a lot of time. Morning, noon, and night. You can just fit it into your day and feel centered in your body. Thank you for joining me this time with 5 to Fabulous.